Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the recorder and powder are compatible. This prevents clogs or sensor errors. Once loaded, power on the unit and watch self-checks. They verify sensors and memory. Make sure to set the clock and sampling interval. This controls timestamps and data density. If the device prompts for calibration, follow on-screen steps now. You want a clean baseline reading before recording. That way, subsequent spikes are meaningful, and you avoid redoing runs. Now configure how you capture data. Choose a sampling rate that matches the dynamics of the powder flow so you neither miss peaks nor waste memory. Next, adjust threshold and gain so signals sit well within the recorder's range. You want clear peaks without clipping. Select file format, CSV if you plan to analyze in spreadsheets, or binary for longer recordings. Once parameters are set, run a short test capture. Review playback to confirm signal quality and timing before you begin the full run by pressing record and watching the live readout to ensure the waveform matches expectations. Peaks and baselines should be stable. Once complete, stop and save the file using a clear name and metadata, then immediately back up to an external drive or cloud to protect data. If you encounter excess noise or dropped samples, check grounding and cable shielding, reposition the sensor for stable contact, and rerun a short test so you confirm the fix before repeating the main capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.